Okay, I'm going to take a piece of masking tape and theoretically, ideally I want to go this way so it can hold, but I'm going to go this way and see if that'll make it just thick enough that it'll hang onto that screw. And then I should be able to go down into where I need it to go. Cut a little bit too well. Come on. There go my ego. Come on, you. Come on. Got it. And there it came. So that worked well. We're getting down into a little hole like that. Now I'll show you the same thing in these holes. You can see what I'm doing here, but I don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it to show you. That holds it in, and then I can just go like this. So that's a neat little trick for you if you ever have to get something down somewhere and you don't have a magnetic screwdriver, or you're dealing with a screw that's not magnetic. And just put a piece of tape across, and then it'll help hold it in place. And you can go down like this without having a problem.
Simple solutions.
Yeah, that's getting creative, but it works.